Relays, how you feeling? How are you feeling? Welcome. It's indeed an historical day for us as Jamaicans to be here celebrating and being on the field representing our island Jamaica on the 128th staging of Penn Relays. I gotta say big respect to Mr. Irwin Clare and Team Jamaica Bickle, who has been doing this now for 30 years. Please give Team Jamaica Bickle a big round of applause. All my Jamaicans, make some noise! Before we even start, Oxtail, come forward, Oxtail. Say 2 words, Oxtail.
Just want to say big respect to all people, but especially my Jamaicans out there. Out of many, we are one people. All right, make we start it.
Team Jamaica Bickle, representing 30 years right here at Penn Relays. Come and say, people, are you ready? Oh Lord, let it go stretch. All Jamaicans, where your flag there? Where your rock there? Where your flag there? Hop there, hop there, hop there, hop there, hop there.
Me love Jamaica, me not sell out. Them try keep we wings so we can't fly out. But when we there, yeah, nothing nice like Jamaica. It's perfect and banana.
Where the flag them there?
Under the tree with a glass of lemonade. Looking at the river when we ready for beer. No boy can't buy it. You're foreign minded, now you compare to Jamaica.
Sing!
Jamaica,
do you want to feel? Next up!
International, international.
Get with them, sing! Because stand up, stand up, stand up. One more time. Let's hear you. What you doing? And then you do it. What am I doing? I know you're there. What kind of song? Say it. This is my message. You know, so my crew is a big crew, right? Star from Road International. Please introduce yourself for Penn.
If you're proud to be Jamaican, wave your flag right now. The whole area, wave your flag. If you're proud to be Jamaican, right now, wave your flag. Stretch what we turn up in here. Let me turn up in here. You understand? Yeah. Put your hands in the air. Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up.
Love it, Stretch, love it.
Yeah, we're in Penn Relays, so we can't play the artists here. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Easy. Stop it, Stretch. When you talk about Penn Relays, and you talk about each and every Jamaican that's in here today, you have to talk about songs like this. Let me show them how we party in Jamaica. Ready again.
Come and say one thing, don't see, can't understand. One thing, don't see, can't understand.
Say what about them, Ready, stretch.
My mention shows the way. Who can't get still?
Jamaica! Jamaica! What's your number?
All time something come back again. Go on the business and go tell your friend. Wanna take it all out.
Stop it! What on, church? Them have some rhythm. When Jamaica feel, it no matter where you play them rhythm. Can I hear you? You remember this? Can I hear you? You remember this? Road International. DJ Rasta. We're gonna party! Second party, give it to me! What's up?
She's dangerous. Got them a rush girl. Big bang bang come them girl lay on the ground dangerous. Got them a rush fresh like a rose in a what can do dangerous.
If you rate Lady Saw, put your hands in the air right now. If you rate Lady Saw, this is a Jamaica party. We're gonna show you how we party in Jamaica. Let me see Stadium, remember that song here?
Not this one dedicated to the
Stadium!
This one to the blood.
I know this little girl, her name is Maxine. You wanna say I don't know what I know, but
Murder she Stretch. We don't have a lot of time, right? Look, we don't have a lot of time. So you see the time that we do have? I want everybody to party in here right now. Turn it up, Stretch. Turn it up, Stretch. Stadium.
You want a proper pick? Call me. You want to get your pick?
call me. You want the cheese chicks? Call me. May I marry it?
Call me. From the other days, like a play some boy you play. Near the girls car, near the girls bar.
Level, Stretch, level, hold on, stop. We're not waiting for time. Each and every somebody, if you're blessed right now, put your hands in the air right now. If you're blessed right now, if you're blessed right now,
I got the blessing.
Anyone we're playing at the world and she's in the building, I have to play her song. Stretch, can you play a song for the CG for me, please? This one for the CG.
Coming from the country with my bag of Cali. I woke up on a DC. In what people me. Don't you run now, you man. You won't get away. If you slip, you will die. I can tell you a story about
let's go!
what dance can do. What dance can do. What dance can do. One dance can do. And listen that. After one dance on the floor.
Don't sit. August 8th.
Wanting for more. Rather know what it is that I've got. And she whispered was so nice.
Once again, Team Jamaica Bickle, 30 years.
Is sitting across the way. We could hear the things I say.
Carrot Star,
We would just
103.5. If you know the words, let me hear you sing along.
a move like this would be so amazing.
Let me hear you.
Big mom.
stretch. If you rate Buju Banton, put your hands in the air right now, stadium. If you rate Buju, let me we don't need answer. And when we would have go, reggae music down. You must answer go. Why not just go? Reggae yes we can get. Someone of the can them do that. We don't need answer. When we would have go, reggae music down. You must answer go. Why not just go? Reggae yes we can get. Someone of the can them do that. There cannot be so much Jamaican people in this stadium. I'm gonna play this song. If you believe in Father God, put up your hand in the air now. Make we turn the stadium now, church. Then you must want to shoot the air. Stadium! Turn it on!
Hear my cry, oh,
I thank God
to God.
what the people in the stand.
From the end of the earth, where I cry, oh,
If you proud to be Jamaican, wave your hand there.
where my heart is far away. Lead me to the rock that is higher than I.
If you love God, wave your hand. If you love God, wave your That time. What's it? Hold on the church. Let me see them do that dance. Let me see.
I've seen no dance before. I've never seen a dance like this. I've seen no dance before.
What's your name?
Alright, great man, man, we people dance. We take dancing to a higher rank. We take down and we take down. One the river, one the bank. Show me how you put them in the ground. One the river, one the bank. Shut up and kneel down and take a man. Don't be flat, we don't put them in the ground. No, we can't don't be flat. You change my name.
No sound effects, no sample. If you know Jamaica has some of the fastest people in the world, put up your hand for Jamaica. Let us church. Let us church.
People's mind again. So they can't dance out of eternity.
Make we turn up the stadium, church. Turn up the stadium, church. What do we dance?
Dancing at Jamaica millionaires. So I think when I say immigration and all out to me. Parachute. Everybody feel you do the parachute. You show one big drum, then you do your thing.
Hey, church, what if it's jumping? Jumping. Stop. DJ Rai, you're a dancer. DJ Rai, you're ravers. Make we show Penn really how to do the next dance.
Ravers.
Make we show Penn really now. Everybody move your foot. Move your foot now. Pull up. What did I say, DJ Rai, on ravers? What did I say?
I'm blessed. 1 for 6.
yourself. Spin with it and take for yourself. And the new dance take for yourself. Cause somebody bad mind, somebody bad mind, take for yourself.
Yeah! If they can't do that dance, church, they must do this next dance. Ready?
New style.
I remember the Bogo. I remember the Bogo now. Bogo, where does it? Do it, no side, do that, put your hand in the air, do your rock with it. Hey, Bogo dance, Bogo dance. I got a new style, and you want dress, I do. Bogo around the place, night and day.
She can't do it, but she got rocks in. For real, me love all the girl. Trust me, I and I love stand up and see.
Church, level. That was dancing back then. That was dancing. Can I talk about dancing now? Let me see the dance on them now. What's the dance on them in the crowd? Let me turn up again. Watch out. More, give it. Do the dance. Do the dance. Do the dance. Everybody take a picture. Take a picture. Let me turn up again. Chip.
Learning from the young people. Learning from the young people.
Because we want to make sure we can come back next year. We believe in punctuality. I don't want them to throw us out. Please give our very own CG, our Council General, to not just New York City, so many other states. She's always working, always supporting everything Jamaica. Please give her some love for me. So CG, I'm going to let you have the closing words, because I don't want them to throw us out. So if there's anything you want to say in pardon.
Well, Randy just confirmed that we're coming back next year for reggae in the stadium. So can we end with one love so that we can come back next year?
One love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. Hear the children crying, hear the children crying. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Saying, let's get together and feel alright. Yeah, man. I'm gonna keep asking women that. With a 103.5 FM, it covered the whole tri-state area, HD3, Carib Star Radio. Wanna know the spot where they know?
One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. One love, one heart. Give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Let's get together and feel alright.
Again, let me say congratulations to Team Jamaica Bickle. 30 years is not a normal feat. Looking out for our athletes both at home and abroad. Mr. Earn Clear, you and your team is an amazing. Also, I've got to say a big shout out to Royal in Bakery. Feeding our athletes, making sure them get curry goat. Make sure them get jerk chicken. Make sure them get rice and peas, all right?
Congratulations on this big accomplishment. Closing thoughts.
Closing thoughts? Wow, this was much better than I expected, and I'm just so happy that we pushed to get the approval to have this segment. Next year, I am looking forward to us coming back. Of course, you notice that 3/4 of the stadium left after our last race. So next year, they're going to change around the schedule. We'll have the women 4x100 race last. So that way, we'll have the stadium still packed. DJ Roy did a fantastic job as usual. And the iPod sound system was good.
Right.
Yes. So we'll be back next year.
Congratulations.
Well, thank you.
For the great work. You're the best CG ever.
And who's the best photographer ever?
Garvin Grace.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. DJ Roy, quick word. We just did a historic move here at the stadium. What are your thoughts? What do you want the world to know about what happened today?
Wow. First, as always, I'm humbled. To get the phone call. There's so many firsts that we have done as Road International. First truck on Eastern Parkway, reggae truck, Road International. I remember going to Eastern Parkway and them said, it's just soca for play. We were the first official reggae truck to go on Eastern Parkway. So to get the call to be inside the stadium, we played outside the stadium probably about 10, 15, maybe 20 times. And that is amazing. So I'm not even saying that's not amazing. But to be actually in the stadium, history, and I got to big up Erwin Clear, Team Jamaica Bickle. 30-year anniversary is a milestone, but it's a huge one. Not too many people do things for 30 years, and he's been helping our athletes both at home and abroad for 30 years. So for this to be like the climax of his 30 years, we're live inside the stadium. I got to say big up to Erwin Clear. And again, I'm part of the whole Road International family. That's Stretch, Oxtail, RJ, Star, and Biggs. We thank you for, of course, choosing us to be the flagship to kick it off. So so next year is a problem. So next year now, we'll get 20 minutes, them extended because it was so good, gave us 40 minutes. Next year, 1 hour. This is going to be like Super Bowl halftime next year. That means we want explosions and rockets and flag away. Girls that dance, people that king. The jets that fly over and people that king Pupa lick on the floor. Next year, serious. So make sure to join us next year. And again, Erwin Clear, salute. 30 years, man. Big respect.
All right, thank you, bro.